Hi guys, it's Viara at Archipal. Welcome again to the video, and today we're going to do a tutorial on how to use Photoshop and how to render your site plans. So we're going to go through a very wide range of methods, from where you can get your maps from, also alternative like websites, and just playing around with the different tools and showing you an easy and quick method of how to render site plans. You pick the style of map that you like. They're just easier to see. So go to this tool, Magic Wand tool, and then make sure you have this on and this. Just all the settings. And then click on it, and then you should select all of it. And then say you want to change it to like a darker grey. There you go. Then create a new layer. So let's call it buildings light on. And then same for the tool. And then just change it to a lighter colour. There you go. And then and then say we want a slightly darker blue. I just background. Paint tool, brush tool, and just go over the lettering. So click on it, and I'd always do a layer mask, or actually this other pattern. Multiply. So let's say we like that. Change the okay. New layer mask. Okay, click on the landscape. Go back and create a layer mask, and then click on this because you might need to resize it. Layer, set a pattern, like a grass, and then you can change depending on your preference. So I quite like the normal one, but lower the opacity. Maybe increase the scale. Just darken it. And then opacity. Okay, new layer. That looks slightly better, yeah. Okay. And yeah. Also another good tool if you want to get rid of names. So go on your layer, go to the clone stamp tool, and you need to press Alt. Just make it how big you want. Alt, and then click with your left mouse. Literally fills it in with the pattern you got underneath. Energy Intensive is okay, let's see, we want to get rid of the pattern. Paper texture. You can still do it because it's under your layer. And then go to layers. I'll just say trim the bits you don't want. Okay, let's just pick a pattern first. Okay. Just get this like sandy texture. So this is just for example. Okay. Go to this. Okay, so select your builder, click on this, and then create mask from selection, and it masks it to here. So this is pretty quick as well. It does this basically. Yeah, that's pretty much with any pattern. So you want to do it for the the water. Select it. Let's find the pattern. So once you're happy with that, much done. Okay. So click on your water, and click back on your pattern, and then click clipping mask. If you don't have this pop up, then you can just go to the side here, a layer mask, and it clips. Yep. That's another alternative. So I'd say there's a variety of methods depending on what you want. Yeah, if you want to gain more control, then I'd say this method is good. If you just want a quick pattern, then I'd say just literally highlighting it and creating a pattern from here is also good. In terms of patterns, I'd say mainly from like Pinterest. So thank you guys for watching the video, and hope you liked the tutorial. And if you want me to go through anything more in terms of rendering in more in depth, put it in the comments below and let me know. And if you also have any suggestions of any videos you want as well, let me know. I'd be happy to make a video.